Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. In today's video, I will be talking about my personal observation that this month of November is really a very poor month for sales in stock photography. Actually, I have recorded this video in the mid of November, but I have not decided to upload it yet because I will wait for few more days to see whether my sales pick up or not. But if you are seeing this upload, it means my sales have not picked up any high rate, so it's still low, and that's why you are seeing this video. I will take you right away to my Shutterstock account, and here you can see I am having literally zero sales in weekdays. This has not happened since last 1 year. All right, when I started my Shutterstock account, it was normal. I did not have sales every day, so back to back, no downloads, it was fine. Even now in weekends, in Saturday or Sunday, zero downloads are absolutely normal. But it has been ages since I got zero downloads in weekdays, Tuesday, Wednesday, back to back, zero downloads. I cannot think of that. Not only in Shutterstock, the same observation I had in other agencies as well. The sales rate are very low. For example, in 123 RF, I had zero downloads this month, which is unthinkable. I cannot imagine. You know, the sales were so low, I literally thought whether they deleted my photos from my portfolio. But you know, that's not actually possible. So I kept on uploading and I got some downloads. Many downloads were which were first time downloaded this month. So it's not that the stock community is dead or something. I think they are enjoying vacation and leave, especially in India after this whole season. I don't know what the reason is, but somehow the sales in November are really low, which should not be the case if you have a lot of content which applies to Christmas and New Year, because it's this time when companies and clients buy those artwork, those photos which they can put in the Christmas and New Year theme. I have got plenty of them in my portfolio, but they are still not selling. I don't know why. I checked through my YouTube comments and many of my viewers also told me the same thing. They are having much less than expected sales in November. So is that same thing happening to you guys? Please let me know in the comment section. Now that brings me to a most important question. Why am I uploading this video? I'm uploading this video because this is normal. Alright, you can have zero downloads in a month. You can have very little downloads in a month. Much less sales happen in some months. In few months it will be very high, and then in the next month it can be low. And it can happen even with contributors who have got thousands of photos online. I am a beginner. I have got only 2500 photos online. There are contributors who have got 36,000 photos online, and even they are seeing a dip in November sales. So don't get disappointed, don't get demoralized, keep on uploading, your sales will definitely pick up. Well, actually this is an update video, it's not any tutorial or guide video. If you are a Shutterstock or a stock photography contributor, please consider viewing all my tutorials and guides which are for free and I have posted in details. They are in my YouTube channel, kindly check them out. And if you're a regular viewer, you know it's time for code of the day. If you have not skipped this video after 1 minute, and if you are watching this video till now, please type capsule in the comment section. So bye guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are doing very well and your sales are not low like me, and if it is low like me, then also don't worry and continue uploading. Please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography, because our aim here is to build up a strong community of stock photographers. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.